please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you will get the notifications. So just click here to subscribe and then hit that bell and click all. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. Go ahead, do it right now. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kimberly Jules here with another wig review. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new, welcome. I hope you will stay on this channel. I do a little bit of everything. So I do wig reviews, I do natural hair videos, I do nail videos, I do fitness videos, I have some glasses videos, content, so more of a lifestyle channel. So please take a look at some of my playlists and see what other videos that I have. And now, before we get into the details of the unit, we are going to talk about the lippy. We always talk about the lippy first before we get into the unit. So the lippy that I'm wearing today is a NYX lingerie lipstick, and it is in the color Embellishment. So you've got this beautiful, like a really toned down purple look. And now into the details of the unit. So the unit that I'm reviewing today is from April Lace Wigs. Thank you so much to April Lace Wigs for sending me this unit for review. So it comes in this little baggie here. There are 3 combs at the front. You've got the comb here in the middle, and you've got your adjustable straps. And this is what the inside of the cap looks like. And you see the headband here attached. And it is a light yaki texture. Very soft. The band is too tight, or not too tight. If the band is too wide for you, you can fold it back. So I'm just gonna show you here that you don't have to do your edges. You can wear it all the way down. So if you're experiencing any hair loss or you just don't feel like doing your edges, you can always wear it all the way down. And then if you want to fold it, because some of the headbands that you get are thinner, so they're not as wide, and you may not want the black to show. So you can actually just fold the headband back, and that'll make it thinner. This is a Brazilian version light yaki headband wig, and the length is 22 inches. The hair color is natural, so this is the natural color that it comes in. This wig is a very light density, so it gives it a more natural look. I'm not sure of the density of this wig, so I will check the details and put it in the description box below. The cap size is medium, and it's actually very, very comfortable. So it is definitely big head friendly. And as you can see, it is a headband wig. So this is actually, it's very pretty, very soft. So this is where the hair falls at the front. So it's really long. And for reference, I am 5'2.5". Yes, the half counts. So yeah, this is very pretty, very beautiful. They also included a headband. So I'm going to put on the headband. So again, just like the black headband that's on the wig, you can fold this back if it's a little bit too thick for you. There you go. Yeah, I'm running my fingers through it, and I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling, so that is perfect. Okay, so let's get into the restyling. But let's see. can widen it a little bit. This is a kind of weird bun, but you guys get the point of what I'm trying to do. And then you can also have a higher ponytail. So let's get into the pros and cons of this wig. So cons, I actually don't have any cons about this wig. For me, the density is perfect. Another pro is that there is no lace. If you're somebody that doesn't want to mess with lace, you don't want to melt the lace and lay down the lace and all that stuff, this is a perfect throw on and go wig. There's no shedding, there's no tangling, lots of restyling options. I would highly recommend this unit. It is very, very pretty. And this wig is definitely beginner friendly. And so that is my review for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. We dance, we dance, we dance, we dance, we dance, we.